Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to JET program coaching classes for Nmms exam 2024-25. Students, mental ability law manam operators chesdamu, but we'll revise the topic. All right, problems chesamu, but I want you to attempt the problems again. All right, so let's get started. Operators in equations. We have to write the operators in the correct place. Correct place for operators the place here, students. Plus, addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. All right, let's revise. Here is the first one, students. Write the operators in the correct order in the boxes. The options are think. ముందు ఏం చేస్తారు? డివిజన్ చేస్తారా, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తారా, ఈక్వల్ టు సైన్ పెడతారా? Like how will you arrange this operators in the equation so that it makes complete sense? స్టూడెంట్స్ మెంటల్ ఎబిలిటీలో కూడా ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ని వదిలేయకూడదు. బట్ ఈజియెస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ విల్ బి ఇన్ సోషల్ అండ్ బయాలజీ. ముందు అది చేయాలి, స్కోరింగ్ అది. మనకి మార్క్స్ రావాలి ఇంపార్టెంట్ స్టూడెంట్స్. స్కాలర్షిప్ రావాలంటే మార్క్స్ రావాలి. అట్లీస్ట్ 120 క్రాస్ అయితే దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఛాన్సెస్ ఫర్ స్కాలర్షిప్. అందుకోసం సోషల్ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ని మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే చూడంగానే మార్చేయవచ్చు. అక్కడ టైం సేవ్ చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ టైం ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. అదే ముందు ఇది చేసి అక్కడ వెళ్ళకూడదు. రైట్, ముందు సాల్వ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ కంఫర్టబుల్ విత్ అండ్ బీ కంఫర్టబుల్ విత్ సోషల్ అండ్ బయాలజీ. డూ నాట్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ సోషల్ అండ్ బయాలజీ. రైట్, చాలా ఫ్యాక్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫ్యాక్ట్ గుర్తుంటే మీరు మార్క్ చేసేయచ్చు. Yes, the answers are pouring in. 2 is absolutely right. Excellent. That's good, students. 3 divided by 5 times 3. 30 divided by 5 times 3 is 18. 6 into 3 is 18. Excellent. Here's the next one. Excellent, students. Good. Let's go forward. Look at this one. 35, 4, 7, and 7. And the options are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sequences: subtraction, multiplication equal to sign, division, multiplication equal to sign. All right, I've given you a minute. Let me see the answers now. Option type చేయండి students. You don't have to type the complete operators. మీరు just option type చేయండి. That will be time saving for you. Easy ఉంటుంది. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. There are wrong answers coming in also, students. Wrong answers కూడా వస్తున్నాయి. Be careful. Yes, Dharmateja, Sahitya. Good. Okay, Hemant, Netra. Good. Students, the ones who have been consistently attending and answering, they are answering very correctly. But there are some names who are not answering correctly, students. Tappu pote aim kaadu. But నేర్చుకోవాలి. నేర్చుకొని go for the exam like a warrior. Yes, it's 1. 1 is absolutely right, students. 35 minus 4 times 7. 4 times 7 ముందు చేస్తాము. 28. 35 minus 28 is 7. 7 is equal to 7. Look at this. Write the operators in the correct order in the boxes. 17, 12, 4, and 20. Again, the options are students, the whole aim is time save చేసుకొని పేపర్ లో డిఫికల్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీద ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయాలి. టైం ఎక్కడ సేవ్ అవుతుంది? ఫ్యాక్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ దగ్గర సేవ్ అవుతుంది. లాజికల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ దగ్గర టైం సేవ్ కాదు. టైం స్పెండ్ అవుతుంది. లాజికల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ దగ్గర టైం ఎక్కువ పడుతుంది. ఫ్యాక్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ దగ్గర టైం తక్కువ పడుతుంది. లుక్ అండ్ సే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. చూసి చెప్పడం, చూసి మార్క్ చేయడం. లుక్ అండ్ సే. లుక్ ఎట్ ది క్వశ్చన్, సే ది ఆన్సర్. రైట్, ఆప్షన్స్ కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ మీరు చెప్పగలుగుతారు. రైట్, ఇది కూడా కరెక్ట్ చెప్తున్నారు. ఎక్సలెంట్, దట్స్ గుడ్. 4 is absolutely right, students. That's good. No, no, no. No, students, you are all right. You are all right. Yes, yes. Maisa, Shivaji, Kavita, Naveen, Vivek, sorry, Gangadhar, Rishita, you're all right. Yes, good, good, good. కానీ ఇక్కడ బాడ్మాస్ రూల్ అప్లై చేయాలి స్టూడెంట్స్. ఐ మీన్ వన్ కూడా అనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ బాడ్మాస్ రూల్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ముందు డివైడ్ చేస్తాము, దెన్ యూల్ యాడ్. సో 17 plus 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is how much? 3. 17 plus 3 is 20. సో వన్ కూడా అనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ దట్స్ నాట్ రైట్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఎందుకంటే బాడ్మాస్ రూల్ అప్లై కాదు. ఆల్ రైట్, సో వన్ ఈస్ మిస్లీడింగ్. Okay, let's go for the next one. Here it is. Options are, so numbers are 3, 4, 5, and 23. The options are 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm telling you again and again so that you remember it. మీరు గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలని మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను. ఏంటంటే టైం సేవింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ని ముందు చేసుకొని టైం తీసుకునే క్వశ్చన్స్ ని తర్వాత రావాలి. అదే నాకు మెంటల్ ఎబిలిటీ చాలా ఇష్టము, నేను చాలా బాగా చేస్తాను అనుకొని ముందు అది చేయకూడదు. 35 మార్క్స్ ఉంటుంది సోషల్. యూ కెన్ స్కోర్ దట్ 35 మార్క్స్ వెరీ ఈజీలీ ఇన్ వెరీ లెస్ టైం. లుక్ అండ్ సే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఫ్యాక్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. డు నాట్ ఇగ్నోర్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ అండ్ బయాలజీ అండ్ ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్. సోషల్ స్టడీస్ అండ్ బయాలజీ స్పెషలీ డోంట్ ఇగ్నోర్ బికాస్ దే ఆర్ ఫ్యాక్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్. చాలా స్కోరింగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఆల్రైట్, punch in the answer for this one. Okay, let me reveal the key now. Students, the revision is students, so you should be a little quick. So I'm revealing the key now. 3 plus 4 times 5. ముందు multiplication చేస్తాము, then addition. We'll go for addition. So 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. All right, let's go for the next one. Yes, Netra, Lata, Shabana, Dharmateja, Rishita, all are right. Gangadhar, Venkat, excellent. That's all. You're all right. Good. Look at this one. Students, today we are going to do this mental ability revision, which is very important. Students కూడా అడుగుతున్నారు. All right, request చేశారు. On the request of the students, we have designed mental ability revision now. 8, 4, 2, and 16. And the options are in front of you. All right. Enough time is given. I'm reviewing the key now. Okay, Ganesh says 2, Mason says 2, Vivek says 2. Let's look at the key. Students, it's 3. 8 times 4 is 32. 2 times 16 is 32. 32 is equal to 32. Yes, Venkat is right. Lata is right. Yeah, many more students are right, but there are students who are wrong. All right. Tappu paina, that's okay, but correct చేసుకోండి. Alright, నేర్చుకోండి. So that next time when you face such a problem, you will be in a position to answer it confidently. Confident గా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. Alright. I really appreciate your ability, but you still have to improve your experience. Here's the next one, 3, 5, 5 and 10. This is pretty simple one. What I have seen is mental ability మీరు చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు, బాగా చేస్తారు, బట్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో కావాల్సింది మార్క్స్, వేర్ సోషల్ అండ్ బయాలజీ ఆర్ రియలీ స్కోరింగ్. సో అది నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకూడదు, అది ఇగ్నోర్ చేయకూడదు. మీకు స్కాలర్షిప్ కావాలి అల్టిమేట్లీ. మీ ఎయిమ్ స్కాలర్షిప్ తెచ్చుకోవడం, మెంటల్ ఎబిలిటీలో ప్రూవ్ చేయడం కాదు మీ ఎయిమ్. ఆల్రైట్. ఓకే, గ్రేట్. ఆల్రైట్. ఆంజనేయులు, గణేష్, కార్తిక్, కిరణ్, వెంకట్, సుజాత, ధర్మ, ఇషిత, నేత్ర, విష్ణువర్ధన్, శబానా, లక్కీ, కిరణ్, Rajita, Kavita, excellent. All these are right, absolutely right. It's 1. It's 3 into 5 minus 5, going to Bodmer's rule. I multiply first, 15 minus 5 is 10. All right, here it is. Next one, 8, 4, 2, and 6. And the options are very good, students. The way you're answering is really, really good. Chala baga chestunaru. But what I'm worried about is the exam. All right, exam lo kuda baga chestaru. But strategy మీరు అడాప్ట్ చేయాలి. స్ట్రాటజీ అడాప్ట్ చేయకంటే మీరు ఎబిలిటీ ఉన్నా కూడా మీరు చూపిలేరు, స్కాలర్షిప్ రాకపోవచ్చు. ఓకే, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 2 కూడా వస్తుందా? ఎస్. ఓకే, థింక్. ఐ గివ్ యూ అనదర్ 10 seconds. Yes, it's 4. Ganesh, Srilata, many others. Netra, Shivaji. All right, good. Dharma, excellent. Good students. But look at this. How are we getting that? First, I take 4 and 2, divide them. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. That's how I'm getting it. All right. Bodmer's rule is what very important. That plays a role here. Tricky question అంటే Bodmer's rule ఉంటుంది to the rescue. All right. Let's go for the next one. 3, 5, 10, and 5. Options are in front of you. All right, it's just a revision class, students, practice session. So do not be tense. Relax to answer చేయండి. Exam లో కూడా relax గా ఉండండి. For your ability, you surely deserve your scholarship. But competition ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి chances తక్కువ ఉంటాయి. All right. Here's the key. 3. Yes, Gangadhar. Yes, students, 3 is not right. What you are saying is right. 1 is correct. Kiran, Roja, Chandrasekhar, Dharma, Shivaji, all are correct. Naveen. All right. It's supposed to be in multiplication equal to an addition. All right. Okay, here it is 8, 4, 2, and 6. Yeah, Lata, you are right. All right, look at this 8, 4, 2, and 6. Options are think of BODMAS rule. After you plug in the operators select చేసుకున్నాక ఆలోచించాక BODMAS rule అప్లై అవుతుందా లేదా చూడండి స్టూడెంట్స్. అంబిగ్యూటీ రావచ్చు మనకి, అప్పుడప్పుడు అలా అనిపించవచ్చు. 8 - 4 + 2 ఆప్షన్ లేదు. సో 8 - 4 yes, 8 - 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 - 2 is 6. Excellent. Most of you answered correct. In fact, almost all, except couple of questions, couple of students have gone wrong. One Chaparu, that's not one, it's 4 students. 15, 5, 9, and 6. Here are the options, students. 15, 5, 9, and 6. Okay, I'll reveal the key because we got a lot to do today. Revision chestunnamo, so I'm revealing the key now. 15 divided by 5 is 9 minus 6. 3 is equal to 3. That's right. 1 is absolutely right. Ananya, Naveen, Mahesa Gaud, Srilata, Sahitya, Venkat, Netra, Santosh, Lata, excellent. All these are right. All these are right. Jalapati. Students say Anni parents chadvalenu because there are so many people who are right. All right. But I really appreciate your energy, ability, and effort. Let's go for the next one. All right, students, an equation will be given now. You have to select correct operators in the correct place. All right. For example, replace the operators to balance the equations. 36 minus 9 into 4 is equal to 8 అని ఇచ్చారు. కరెక్ట్ ఆపరేటర్స్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. ఎలా చేస్తాను? ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తాను, ఇది 4తో అవుతుంది. సో 36/9 ఇస్ 4. 4 + 4 is 8. రైట్. సో ఆపరేటర్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇది సేమ్ యాజ్ బిఫోర్. అక్కడ బాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చారు, ఇక్కడ ఏదో ఆపరేటర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. యూ హావ్ టు చెక్ వెదర్ దట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఆర్ నాట్. బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయకుంటే ఇంకొక ఈక్వేషన్, ఇంకొక ఆపరేటర్స్ రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. రైట్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ మచ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్రీవియస్ సెక్షన్. సేమ్ ప్రీవియస్ సెక్షన్ లాగానే ఉంది ఇది కూడా. రైట్. యా, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. 2, 3, 5 and 1. 2, 3, 5 and 1. All right, I'm getting a mixed response for this one. 1, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 3, 4 confusion ఉన్నట్టుంది. I'll show the key. It is 3. ఎందుకు 3 అవుతుంది? 2 times 3 minus 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. That's how it becomes 2 times 3 minus 5 is equal to 1. So multiplication, subtraction and equal to sign. Yes, Hemant, Santosh, Netra, Tirupati, all are right. Kirtana, Naveen, good. Yes, Rishita, right. All right, here is the next one. 4, 3 minus 4, 3, 5 and 17. All right, think. Okay, Kavita says answer, Venkat says 2, Shivaji says 3. All right, let's see. I'm getting a mixed response again. Answers are pouring in, energy is high, but think about the answer, correct answer, students. Manaki correct kavali. All right, Netra says 2. Definitely. Excellent. That's absolutely right. 2 is absolutely right, Netra. I appreciate your confidence, but be careful that in exam you focus on scoring marks, overall marks. You should answer most number of correct questions. All right. Maximum number of correct questions రావాలి మనకి. అది రావాలంటే మాక్సిమం నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రావాలంటే లుకెన్సే ముందు చేయాలి. లుకెన్సే ముందు చేయాలంటే సోషల్ బయాలజీ ముందు పికప్ చేయాలి. రైట్, అది ముందు అటాక్ చేయాలి. రైట్, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ వన్. 25, 5, 3 and 2. స్టూడెంట్స్, నేను మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే సో దట్ యూ డోంట్ మిస్ దిస్ పాయింట్ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామ్. Right, here are the options. Sorry, here are the options. Yes. Yes, Maisa is correct. Netra is correct. Srilata is correct. Prabhakar is correct. Gangadhar is correct. Vivek is correct. Lata, Naveen, Karthik, Srilata, Dharmateja, Sujata, Venkat, Santosh. Santosh is very confident that it's one. Manjula, Tirupati, Ganesh. Lata is also confident. All right. Excellent. Hemant is really, really insisting that it's one. And yes, it is one. Excellent, students. Ela 1 అవుతుంది. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. All right. Now replace the operators to balance the equations again. Same pattern. 17, 7, 2, and 3. Options are these. It's pretty easy, students. This is pretty easy. Excellent. No one is going wrong now. Excellent. Very good. It's 2. 2 is absolutely right, students. Excellent. Let's go for the next one. Superb, students. The way you're answering is really superb. Mental ability questions, Miru, you're rocking. So do so in all other subjects also. Do not ignore social and biology. You are very important for scoring marks. And marks, most important here, scholarship person. All right. 17 is equal to 7 times 2 plus 3. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. All right, here's another one. 32, 21, 4, and 15. And the options are in front of you. Lata is 100% sure that it's 2. Excellent. Came with the sure. Sujata is so confident. I appreciate your confidence, students. But be careful that this confidence, over confidence లో మారకూడదు. ఎగ్జామ్లో చాలా స్ట్రాటజిక్గా ఉండాలి. ఆల్రైట్, కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఇది. This is not like formative or summative assessment. The competitive exam. Competitive exam లో స్ట్రాటజిక్ ఉండాలి. స్ట్రాటజీ సింపుల్. మార్క్స్ ఎక్కువ రావాలి. మార్క్స్ ఎక్కువ రావాలంటే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్కువ చేయాలి. కరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్కువ రావాలి. అది రావాలంటే లుక్ అండ్ సే ముందు చేయాలి. లుక్ అండ్ సే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, చూడగానే చెప్పగలుగుతాం. ఫ్యాక్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ దట్ ఫాల్స్ అండర్ సోషల్ అండ్ బయాలజీ. సోషల్ బయాలజీ బిలాంగ్స్ టు దట్ కేటగిరీ. సో అది ముందు స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉండాలి. అది కూడా రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. ఒక 9 more days అది రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి స్టూడెంట్స్. సోషల్ ఇస్ 35 marks. 35 marks ఒక్క మార్క్ కూడా లూజ్ చేయకూడదు. ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. All right, it is 3. Let's see how. 32 is equal to 21 minus 4 plus 15. 17 plus 15, which is 32. All right. Okay, here it is. 15, 5, 4, and 12. Fifteen, 5, 4, and 12. Operators which are placed are wrong. We have to replace them with one of the options. Options are in front of you. All right, let's look at the key now. Enough time is being given. It is 1. Akshara. All right, Gayatri, Ganesh, Netra, Sujata, Kavita. Excellent. Ramudu, brilliant. Brilliant students. Excellent. That's absolutely right. 15 divided by 5 times 4 is equal to 12. First, I divide 15 by 5, which I get 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Here's another one. Here's the last one, students. Fifteen, 3, 4, and 3. Think about it. It's the last one. Please go correct. Is it division, multiplication, equal to sign, equal to multiplication, addition, equal to subtraction, addition, or addition equal to multiplication? Which of these is correct? Which of this fits into the equation so that it is balanced? A balance కావడానికి operator same పెట్టాలి. Same pattern, students. Same line of thought. All right. Answer putting in, but there are wrong answers also. All right. Rachana. Rachana says 2. Tirupati says 2. Srilata says 2. Chandrasekhar says 2. Let's see. Let's see the key. Yes, it is 2, students. That's absolutely brilliant. Let's go for the reasoning. Steps are 15 is equal to 3 times 4 plus 3. All right. 12 plus 3 is 15. There's one more. 6 times 3, sorry, 6, 3, 5, and 8. And the options are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Select one of these. Students, I'll give you just 10 seconds for this one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is 3. 3 is absolutely right. All right. So we have got 6 is equal to 3 plus 5 minus 8. Sorry, 3 minus 5 plus 8. It's supposed to be 3 minus 5 plus 8, students. 6 is equal to 3 minus 5 plus 8. So I will get 3, 6 is equal to 3 plus 3, which is LHS is 6, RHS is 6. All right. So with this, we'll continue with another session of mental ability continuation. Students, stay tuned. Mental ability ఇంకా చేస్తున్నాము, revision చేస్తున్నాము. I request Gayatri ma'am to continue the session. I now request Gayatri ma'am to continue the session.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing great. Yeah, let me connect you to my board, to my PPT. All right. Very good evening, students. So, welcome to yet another mental ability session. What comes next? Right? So, this is going to be a very interesting one. So, I'm sure you all will enjoy this and learn by working out these kind of sums. All right, now let's move on to the first question. What comes next? Right. So, you can see the figure here. 3 figures are given. And your question is, what is the next one? Right? Yeah. So this is the first one. And if you see, this has been turned this side, right? So it is anti-clockwise. So what is this? This is anti-clockwise. Your clock moves like this, isn't it? Your clock moves like this. And if it's going to move the other way, then it is anti-clockwise. All right? Right. So when this moves, right? So now just take any one. Now you have the circle. Now this circle is going to move towards the anti-clockwise. So in the next picture, you can see here, right? And in the next one, again, it is going to move towards this side. Yeah. So next it will move towards the left. That is what here we saw. And now where should it move? It should move towards this side, right? So your circle should be down. So where all you are finding the circle to be down? Either in your option 3 or your option D. So option C or option D. But there is only one correct answer, isn't it? Okay. So now you have to check where your triangle is, right? So when your there is a movement towards your anti-clockwise, your triangle also is going to move anti-clockwise, isn't it? See here, you can see that your triangle is moving from here to here, right? And next it is moving from here to here. So where should it move? Where should it move towards next? Towards this side. So it should be here. So now where do you find the triangle? Here, towards the right hand side. So your option C is the correct one, right? So I hope you all would have understood. So first we check with the circle. But by seeing the circle in 2 places, you have the circles are placed towards the bottom. Then you have to check which among these 2 is correct. So you have to move towards the triangle. Okay. So it is option C. All right. So being the first question, we have done it for you. See the next question. We have a circle, right? And from the circle, if you see the second one, this is a circle. And from the circle, if you see here, the circle should be like this. So you are taking off one small portion, right? And this is the second figure. And in the third figure, you are taking out exactly a little more and it is coming to half. Am I right? So what should be your fourth figure? Let me yellow. So what should be your fourth figure? This is your question, right? So definitely it cannot be D, right? And definitely it cannot be C because it is turning towards the other side, right? And can it be B? No, it cannot be B because again, this is turning towards the other side. So your possible answer could be only A, right? So this is how you check your answer. Let's see, it is A. Is it clear, students? So please understand the mental ability sums because it's very easy to get full marks under this. So in the first figure, you have full circle. Next, you are taking out some small portion, then it comes like this. Third one, again little if you take, it becomes half. Then in the fourth one, again from the half you take, then it becomes quarter. So your closed one must be left. It should not be towards right. All right, so I'm sure you would have understood this. Right. So see here, in the third figure, you have your small a small open box type like this, where there is inside and there is outside. Now what happens? It has been turned towards this side, that is anti-clockwise. So, right? So when it is turned towards the, no, it has been turned towards the clockwise, so that it comes like this. So it has been turned towards clockwise, right? So again, clockwise, you will have like this, right? So whereby in the second figure also you have another one enclosed. So in the third one, you have two enclosed. So what could be your next figure? So you have to move towards your clockwise. So when it is going to move towards the clockwise, your answer could be either A or your answer could be either C. Am I right? See, it is moving towards clockwise. First it is standing, then it is lying. So then again it will stand. So your standing posture, only two option is having, that is either A or either C, right? So now how would you find out whether your A is right or your C is right? So obviously only your A must be right because your C has only 4 lines. But your next one must be 5, isn't it? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your next one must be 5 lines. So only option A has 5 lines. All right, students. So I'm sure you would have understood. Let's move on very quickly to the next question. Right. So see here, 3 pictures are given whereby you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 small boxes. And the first one, you have 1 horizontal line. In the second one, you have 2 horizontal line. So in the third one, you have 3 horizontal line. So in the fourth one, you should have 4 horizontal line. Am I right? So first you check with the horizontal line, whereby you have 4 horizontal line. So where do you have 4 horizontal line? Only in this 1, 2, 3, 4. So only in option C, you have 4 horizontal lines, right? But when it comes to vertical, it comes to 1. So your option C should be the right one. See, there are two things, students, you should understand. First, you see the horizontal. See, this is the horizontal line, right? And this is the vertical line. In the first, you have only 1 horizontal. In the second one, you have 2 horizontal. In the third one, you have 3 horizontal. So in the fourth one, definitely you should have 4 horizontal, where this one is right. Option C is right. So you can directly click your option C as right, but there is one more checking that if you wish you can do. You can check your vertical, right? So you see the vertical here in the first one, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And in the second one, you have 3. In the third one, you have 2. So in the fourth one, you should have only 1. So whereby only your option 3 is satisfying this condition. So therefore, option C is correct. All right, students. Yes. Now with this understanding, we are moving on to the next question. See here, you have a circle. So whatever is inside has come out as the outside one. Right? Okay. Now see here, above circle you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And the next one, it is being reduced to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 6, this is 5. And see here, square. Square is 4. So 6, 5, 4. The next one must be 3. Is it clear? So the next one must be 3, right? Whereby in the first one you have a circle that came out as the outside, right? And then it is coming out inside, and the fourth one, it should be outside. And you should have only 3. So 3 only triangle has 1, 2, 3. All others, if you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So all the more your possibility of option B seems to be right. Yes, perfect. All right, students. So I'm sure you would have understood this. Let's see the next question. Very simple one. This is a pattern. In the first one, you are finding 4. See 4. In the second one, you are reducing 1, whereby you are making it as 3. So this is 3. So in the third one, it is again reduced by 1. So you have 2. So the fourth one must be only 1. So only 1 means you have 2 options, C and A. Now, which among this should be correct? So you have to check with the other option. See here, you can see the horizontal line 1. Here horizontal line is 2. Here horizontal line is 3. Next your horizontal line must be 4. So where is 4 here? Again option C. All right, let's check the answer, students. Yes, it is C. I'm sure you would have understood. See the next question. Right. So here you have, let's check with the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a 6-sided figure whereby, so you have this small circle towards your left and you're moving towards the anti-clockwise, right? So in the first figure, it was there. Second, it is in the next corner. Third is in this corner. So where would be your fourth one? First one, it was here. You are moving towards this side. So second one, it is here. Third one, it is here. Right? So fourth one, it must be in this. Right? So it must be in this. Whereby, like this, you have option D. You have option B. Next, you have option A. So now among these 3, you have to choose the correct one. Right? So for that, you see the inside circle. If you see the inside circle, first one you have upper, next inside corner, right? Next to this corner. So it should be here. So it should be like this, right? Whereby you're not finding that in A nor in B. So all the more your option D seems to be correct. Let's check the answer. Yes, it is right. Right. Now see the next question. This is a very simple one. See here, you have a diagram which is facing left, then it is facing down. See, it was first facing left, it is facing down. Next, third figure, it is facing up, it is facing right side. Fourth figure, it should face up. That is, you're either C or your A. Either one is the correct answer. But now, how do we check is, see the inside one. In the first one, you have 3-sided, that is triangle. Second one, you have 4-sided. Next, you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, you have 5. So the next must be 6. So find out where you have 6. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. Whereas this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So you again you have 2, 6. Okay. Right. Now, how do we check the answer here? See, in this, you can see that your inside diagram is very clearly given as six-sided one. Okay. Whereby you don't have any, what to say, a kind of corners. So it should be plain. Right? That is why you're choosing your option A as the correct answer. So I hope you would have understood this, students. See the next one. This you are moving clockwise. So the upper arrow, see clockwise means you just put this and see. Right? So the first one, it was facing up. Next, it is facing down. Which one? This. Next, it is facing down. After right, it is down. So your next figure, it must be facing left. So which one is facing left? Only option B is facing left. Is it clear? So, and one more thing, your circle first figure is highlighted, not highlighted, highlighted. So here it should not be highlighted. Therefore, option B all the most suits your fourth figure. All right, see the next question. Yes, very simple, students. Shh. See here, you have how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides you have. See the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides you have. Next you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 sides. So 6, 5, 4. Next must be 3. So 3 could be only triangle. Right? So your option C is all the most suiting your question figure. Let's check with the answer. It is option C. All right, students, see here the next one. Let's check the standing line. That is your, not your, what do you say, your standing line. See this one. In the first one, you have 4. In the second one, you have 3. Again, you have 4. Third one, you have 3. So fourth one should also be 3. Right. So inside you see 4, 3, 3. 4, 4, 3, 3. Isn't it? So 3 could be either your option A could be right. Your option D could be right. Your option D could be right. Right? But how do you check with this? It should have 3. Because in the first figure you have 4 lines, 4 horizontal. Second one you have 3 horizontal. Third one you have 3 horizontal. Right? And let's check your answer. For the fourth one, it should have 2 horizontals. Right? So that is why your option B is the correct one. So I'm sure you would have understood this. With this understanding, we are moving on to the next one. See here in the first figure, you have 4 highlighted balls. Right? 4. Second one, you have 3 highlighted balls. Third one, you have 2 highlighted balls. And in the first one, you should have only 1 highlighted ball. All right? So where all inside? So inside only 1 highlighted ball is only option D. I don't think you can find anywhere else the highlighted ball inside as only 1. Yes. And another understanding is, this one is 1. Here you have 2. So here it should be 3. That is what here you have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's check the key. It is option 4. That is D. All right. See the next question. You have what to say, triangle, 2 triangle embedded one, whereby you are moving like this. Okay, clockwise. So in the first figure, it is here. In the second figure, it is here. Third figure, it is here. So fourth figure, it should be here. So only your option C has the fourth figure like that. Therefore, your option C is the correct one. So I'm sure you would have understood this. See the next one. You have an arrow, right? So the first one is not highlighted. Second one is highlighted. Third one is not highlighted, so fourth one must be highlighted. So highlighted means either option A or option D. But how do you choose the correct option under this? Is you can see this one vertical line, two vertical line, three vertical line. So here it should be 4. Right? So 4 is only D is having. So your option D could be the most correct one. Yes, perfect. Right. See the next question. You have a circle, then you have a cross. Right. Just a second. Right. So you have a circle, right? You have a cross, right? So it is moving towards anti-clockwise. So when it is here, next it is here, next day it is here. So the next time it should be where? It should be here, right? And see, the ball is moving towards that side. So in the first one, the ball was towards the left, now right, next down, next it will be in the left hand side, that is here. So your figure will be x0, right? So now you need to see which one is like this. Option B. Option B coincides with your key. Let's check the answer out. Yes, it is option B. All right, see the next question. Two sides are given. In the first one, you have just 1. In the second one, you have 2. In the third one, you have 3. Right? So in the fourth one, you must have 4. Let's check whether anything has 4. Yes. Right. And your right hand side, the other part is just one single. So that you don't have to decorate, right? Yes. So 3, yours should be 4. And the other one must be 1. So if you're everywhere, it is 2, 2, 2, except option C. Whereby you have 4, whereby you have 1. Let's check the key. It is C. All right, students. So I'm sure you would have understood this. Right. Now see here the next question. All right. By seeing your next question, you will understand that the pattern is little changed. The first one you have 3. The first one you have 3 vertical line, 3 horizontal line. The second one you have 2 vertical line and 1 small vertical line. And you have 3 horizontal line. Right? So in the third one you have, the second one is also made to short. So the next one, it would be like this. With the 3, wherever, with 3 horizontal lines. So this coincides only with where? It coincides only with A. See here, you can see 3 lines and 3 horizontal lines. All right. Now see the next question. You have a leaf where the veins, only 1 vein you have. All right. And here you see again the leaf like where you have 2 veins. The third one you have 3 veins. In the fourth one you should have 4 veins. Right? So it should have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So where do you have 4? This one. Your option D. That could be the most suitable one. All right. Let's check the key. The key says C. Left, right, yeah, right. So why your C is right? Because in the first one, your veins were towards the left. In the second one, your veins were towards the right. Right? Third one, again, it was left. Fourth one, it should be right. So it should be here only. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So only option C has the 4 lines or veins which is facing towards the right. All right. Yes. See the next question. So this is a pretty easy one. Right. So this is a pretty easy one. Right. So here you have the movement towards anti-clockwise. The arrows facing up, next left, next down. So next it should be towards the right. Is it clear? And how about the lines? The lines you have straight only. So your arrow and your lines are together same. So which is all the more option D is correct. All right, students. So all right. So all the more your option D is correct. So hope you understand how the direction is being facing. See, in the first one, it was here, right? Second one, it was here. Third one, it was here. So fourth one, it should be here. That is why I drew the line here. But how about the line? The straight line is always constant. So this line is also in between, built inside this. So let's check the key. It is option D, correct. All right, students. So with this, we will stop for today. And I'm sure you all would have enjoyed both the mental ability sums. And tomorrow we'll meet again with another very interesting topics. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. Refer about our classes to your friends, your relatives, your teachers, and your neighbors, so that they can also subscribe and get benefited by the things that we are posting it, so that you can have a good practice. All right, students. So over to Chandrika ma'am for further announcements.
Thank you, madam. Yes, students, మళ్ళీ రేపు క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది 8 o'clock కి from 8 to 9. సోషల్ అండ్ బయాలజీ మీద కూడా కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయండి with mental ability. Okay. Bye everyone. Subscribe to our channel Jatadhara Educational Technology.